Hey guys, Bob Trade Genius. It's the 15th of July, and we running our grand opening specials. They are going to close off today at midnight, and we got some really cool things that we did. We really revamped a lot of things, and you have summer special one is around the cryptos, and you basically get the Crypto Money Machine Express. This delivers the signals on the top coins across multiple time periods, buy sell signals, and then you also for $29 a month be able to get the binary option trades that we do, and we're 103 and 6 for Forex, and we're 21 and 8 for the US 500, and just the money you made on those trades alone in the last 6 weeks would pay for the whole year's worth of the binary and the Crypto Express. So killer deal. We do these trades every day. Number two is ETF. We have the day trading money machine. You can use this for futures. We've been posting daily out on our site people that are just making money on focus on oil, and we focus on the ES, and it gives great trade setups, and we use that also to help us get the binary option trades too. So it's really powerful tool. And then we for $29 a month you get access to our ETF stock trades, and we've been doing extremely well on those. We're north of 70% win rate. We average over 3% per trade. We're in these trades on average less than 7 trading days. And then we do options as well that do extremely well, focused primarily on Nugget, Dust, and SPY, and the Qs. And then the other specials are just additional things here. This is the bulk packages, and down here is the just additional training. But what I want to show you here is a couple charts. So help you make money right away. Freebie on me is I want to go to Dust number 1. Whenever it pushes through this channel like this, and we get sell signals on it, as we have been now, is that I expect there's probably a move here, at least 70 cents to $1, if not down to the bottom of the channel here. We're going into the season for weakness in the dollar, and so I think this trade will be a winner for you guys. And just to show you what I'm talking about is, here's the dollar shoulder, head, shoulder, and if it breaks back down here before 24.85 area, then I think we have a good drop, and that will bring EEM into play. It's banging on the underside here, and probably give us a 10% move higher for EEM, and it might bring some of these Momo China stocks into play. And this is one I'm watching because I think when China moves, it'll really rip. And I'm watching it right now. It's just underneath where I want to get it, because I just don't know if it'll reject from here yet. And but it's definitely putting a consolidation on high here. And especially if it crosses over here, I'm going to start taking positions in it. If it crosses above 38, you're looking at a move at least to 46. And it'll definitely cross the all-time highs. So it'd be a nice way to make your monthly nut for, if not July, definitely for August. So keep an eye on IQ. There's no reason to get fancy and look at 100 different things. Just concentrate on one and you'll make money. One of the trades we worked on in May and June finally went to fruition. Roku finally filled its gap. Now I like Roku and I like IQ, and then you have to keep an eye on Netflix. Netflix is probably a little overbought, but who knows what it's going to do. Is these are cord cutters. These are secular changes in the market. People are running away from cables, too expensive, and they're running into programs such as these. People can't go to the movies anymore. You take a family of 4 to the movies, you're at $200. $200 used to be able to take a family for the day to Disney. Now you take a family day to Disney, you're talking $1,000. So people have to consume entertainment on the cheap, and this is where you're going to find it. So always keep Netflix, Roku, and IQ in your watch lists, and as they come up for opportunities to trade long, that's a good place to trade, especially if we even get recessionary. More people will run to these guys, even though they may take big hits, but they'll have good retracements because people still want to entertain themselves. They'll just substitute down. So anyway, I wanted to show you those things before the market opened here. Still expecting Monday, Tuesday some weakness. Everything's flashing that way, and you know, the yen, the NYMO, the VIX, you know, the skew, resistance areas were stretched, money flows coming down. So just keep an eye on these things. I think it's going to it's definitely going to put some pressure on the market. And if I can, real quick, if you guys bear with me 1 second, I want to show you. See if it didn't lock me up. Okay, good. So this is these are volatility channels that I keep an eye on, and you know, if I'm wrong and we push higher, you know, probably looking to top out here at 2820 area. But usually when it happens, when it rises to these things, to these higher levels, it's going to come down. It's going to at least trace back to 2761 area, and it can come all the way down to 2703 area. So take it one day at a time. But if they do try to push it higher, they'll roll it back in. It's just the way it works. You know, nothing goes straight. Even these guys, because they're highly leveraged, and you have market makers and hedge funds, and these guys they're always hedging different things, and they'll bring that thing back to that purple line a lot. And so when it hits that red line, hits that green line, I always look for reversals. So anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Check us out, tradelikeagenius.com. Bye-bye.